Vine. I'm gonna stand down on that corner, 14th and Vine. I'm gonna stand down on that corner and watch all the cars drive by. Welcome to RC Industry. Here we are at the corner of Vine and 14th at a four-way stop. So you be the judge.
Judiciary ranking member says this is unlike past impeachment efforts.
This may be, though, become known as the focus group impeachment. Because we don't have a crime, we don't have anything we can actually defend, and nobody understands really what the majority is trying to do, except to interfere and basically make sure that they believe the president can't win next year if he's impeached.
The Supreme Court has left in place a Kentucky law requiring doctors to perform ultrasounds and show fetal images to patients before abortions. The justices did not comment Monday and refused.
Hey, that one stopped. Cool.
Ruling that upheld the law. Kentucky Right to Life President Diana Maldonado called it the best possible news. On Wall Street, the Dow down by 105 points. This is SRN News. For the 17th year, Christian Legal Group is offering its services free in defense of Christmas. There is the opportunity to post.
Well, as soon as I turn the camera on, of course, there's nobody at this stop sign, so that's about par for the course. A while ago, they were just running it right and left. That's the reason I turned it on. Here comes one. Let's see what this one does. It's got its brake lights on. Well, that's pretty close. At least they made an attempt. You know, we talked about this before. I don't know why these four-way stops are even in place. They should, if you probably couldn't see it, but the next stop, four-way stop down, the next block, somebody just ran that one. I don't know if the camera showed that or not, but he's coming up to this one. So let's see if he stops at this one. He's got his turn signal on. Yeah, well, he slowed down pretty good. So, but anyway, we talked about it before. I don't know why the city just doesn't take these stop signs away and put yield signs in, because that's what people are doing. And, you know, it's not any different than all this impeachment hearing stuff going on. It's not about who's right or who's wrong. It's all about what the people do. So, whether it's right or wrong, we just need to change the rules to meet what people are doing. So in this case, I would say that we just change. See, that one just ran the stop sign. So I would just say that we just change all these stop signs to yields, because that's what the majority of people do. Comes one coming up on us that's real noisy, got no exhaust on it. Let's see if they go this way. This is kind of the drunk road route, if you will, quote unquote. That's meaning they don't want to drive on the main roads in town, so they drive, you know, this 14th and Vine area down in here, because this is not well patrolled, so you know you're apt to get away with more stuff down in here. So, but that still doesn't make it right or wrong. So anyway, that's my perspective of it. Well, I'm sorry this one's kind of boring, folks. There's not a whole lot going on. As soon as I shut the camera off, we'll get some good ones. One of these days, I'm going to catch somebody having a wreck at one of these, and, you know, it's just going to be, oh, there, that white car ran it. There, see, just drove right on straight through it. Crazy, man. But yeah, somebody's going to get hurt, and I think the last video I did on this over there at the intersection at our house, there was actually a student walking to school that almost got hit, and I got that on film. Nobody seems to care. Nobody shares it. Nobody tells everybody else about it. So, you know, and that's fine, but one of these days somebody's going to get hurt, and it could be your child, or it could be your elderly parent, or, yeah, that one kind of slowed down. Here we go. Here's a white one. Nope. Yeah, well, sort of. I believe they looked anyway, so that's better than some. Most of them have got their face in their cell phone, which is a whole nother category of things that go on. Here comes one behind me here on 14th. Let's see what this one does. Got the turn signal on. It's blinking pretty fast. That means they got a bulb out somewhere. Well, I guess maybe I'll go ahead and end this video here, because it seems like it's not a lot of traffic now. It is almost 5 o'clock, so I suppose all the factory traffic's off. We got one more truck coming here. We'll wait till this one goes through, and then we'll shut her down for this video. I would like to thank all the subscribers that subscribe, and I would ask you to just pass this stuff on. Share it in your links to your other friends, and get more people viewing this stuff. Oh, there we go. That one didn't stop. And here comes the one up the street on 14th coming at us. Yeah, he pretty well stopped. I'd say that's a stop. There's a car coming up behind him. Looks like a Camaro or something. I don't know for sure if that's what it is or not. It didn't stop though. No, it's not a Camaro. I don't know what that was. A Daytona or something. So, anyway. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Watch all of our craziness. We also have another channel that strictly has our houses on it, and that's DuBois County Flips. So if you haven't subscribed to that channel, that one has all of our houses on it. This channel has everything on it. So anyway, thanks again for watching, and you all have a Merry Christmas if I don't do another video before then. Bye. Run, Tallulah, run! Hi, baby.